Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing the model so you can operate on the mesh immediately. Once the mesh is in, make sure the mesh workspace is active and the browser shows your body. You want to confirm units and orientation now because correcting those later wastes time. Use Insert Mesh, pick SDL or OBJ, then position with Move. Once done, set the mesh display to shaded and turn on triangle count. This helps you decide whether to reduce before conversion. You now clean and prepare the mesh for removal by reducing complexity and repairing defects. First, run Reduce to drop unnecessary triangles. Aim for a balance between fidelity and convertibility. Next, use repair tools to close holes, fix inverted normals, and remove stray islands. These steps prevent conversion errors. When the triangle count is under Fusion's conversion threshold, convert mesh to be rep so you can use solid modeling tools. You finish by removing the mesh and cleaning the resulting solid so it fits your design intent. Delete the original mesh body in the browser after a successful mesh to be rep conversion, then refine surfaces with patch and stitch, or switch to sculpt to rebuild organic areas. Make sure to validate dimensions and fillet once repair is complete. If conversion fails, try further reduction, rerun repair, or export to OBJ and re-import with corrected normals. This often resolves stubborn topology issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.